Now, at times, what happens while creating a big project, we generally keep common utilities into a different file, or we generally create a base file as well, which is like the heart of our entire framework. All the implementation are done inside that base file. Let's say I create a file called as a class name called as base test. So this is like a parent class. In this, we're gonna keep some method like a setup method. In this, we are going to initialize everything. What all things that you want to load, your logging, your database connectivity, your any API, WebDriver, Appium, Rest Assured, anything that you want to include, you want to initialize it in the very beginning. You keep it in the setup method. So in this, let's say we're gonna write some code for initializing everything, right? Like this. And same way, once we are done with our test cases, there's a tear down method, and this we're gonna quit everything. So quitting everything. So these methods are generally named as setup or tear down only. These are also called as test fixtures. Although you can give any name, but this is what a standard that is being followed everywhere. So what I'll do, I want that this to be executed before calling any of these classes, right? See, if I keep setup method in test class one in the very beginning, I can run it initially by saying at the rate before test. Before test gets executed before this particular class only, inside this class, right? It won't work for other classes. But I want now before any class that is called, this setup method should be executed, and after executing all the classes, this tear down should be executed. So what I'll do, there's an additional annotation called as at the rate before suit. So before suit will be executed before the entire test suit, and same way after suit will be executed after executing everything inside this test suit. And this base test class, you can extend it inside your test classes. So all the test classes will be the child class of this base test class. This base test class will be a super class, a parent class, like this. And let's see what all class we have. We have one test failure class as well. We have added 4 classes. So this will also gonna extend base test. Right. Now, if I run this suit file again, you're gonna see that initially the setup will be done, and at the end the quitting will be done. See, quitting everything is called only once. And in the very beginning, initializing everything is called. Right? They're not called again and again before every class. So they're called at the end. So this is what the benefit of using this suit annotations, at the rate before suit or at the rate after suit. All right.